very good evening from London. Has been a day very much driven by the data out of the US. At the 1:30 London time, we saw the release of the US CPIs month-on-month and year-on-year coming in low expectations, and therefore we did see the rise higher in the US equity futures. We still opened pretty much flat on the session at the Wall Street opening bell. Other reactions, we did see the softening of the US dollar across the board, and that is still evident in some of the currency pairs, particularly the Aussie currency. The commodity currencies have been strong today. Aussie dollar trading above the 105 mark. Dollar CAD has broken that 99 mark to the downside. Looking at the commodities specifically, we have seen some strong gains for WTI and Brent crude futures today, both on a technical level and driven by some fundamental news. WTI breaking the last week's high to the upside, and Brent crude futures breaking that 114 mark per barrel. Also the bubbling political tensions over in the Middle East helping support the uncertainty in the markets and therefore driving prices higher for WTI and Brent crude futures. We have seen both Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates both urging their citizens to leave Lebanon as the conflict in Syria does start to spill over into neighbouring countries. Otherwise, it's generally quite quiet in terms of the fixed income space. The US 10-year has gained some support around the lower levels of its range today. That's equivalent to the 1.8% yield mark for the US 10s, and that has capped some of the price movements to the downside as the fixed income markets have leaked slightly in trade today, continuing the general theme we saw yesterday also. Elsewhere, in terms of the euro-dollar pairs, worth noting that some of the earlier euro weakness in the session was attributed to the Swiss National Bank having some possible reverse diversification flows. It'll be just interesting to watch and see if this trend does continue and these rumours do circulate again in the session over the coming next couple of days or so. Otherwise, it's generally quite quiet also in terms of overnight news, and in terms of the summer period we are experiencing thinner volumes still, with volumes in the US around the lowest since 2007 also, so it does promise to be another quiet few trading sessions as we head towards the end of the week. That's enough from me. Hope you've had a good trading day, and we'll join you tomorrow morning. Thank you.